Welcome back to the Happiest Cooks channel. My name is Kim and I'm the Happiest Cook. Today we are bringing you the ultimate treat, Panda Express Fried Rice by THC. It's a scrumptious dish that you can easily create at home in no time. Before we get started, don't forget, hit the subscribe button right there. That way you will always know when we're putting out new recipes and you won't miss out on anything. So let's get started. For this easy recipe, you will need some simple yet tasty ingredients. You're going to need cooked rice, some frozen peas and carrots, green onions, a couple of eggs, some soy sauce, and a little splash of sesame oil and some salt and pepper if you want. That's it. I've got all my things together. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, see my rice right there is starting to dance. So what we're going to do is we are going to pour our eggs right into the oil. We're going to break up those eggs. Then we are going to add our rice. We're just going to stir that all up. Then we're going to add our peas and carrots. Make sure all your little rice is all broke up. Then we're going to add our soy sauce. Just going to let that heat up. Then we're going to take our green onions. And put our green onions in. We're going to put in a little bit of pepper and this is sesame oil. Just going to put like a sprinkle, not a lot. This is pretty strong, but just adds just what you need. And stir this all up. And there you go. That is our fried rice. Let me get a bowl. We're going to plate this up and take a taste, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, our homemade Panda Express Fried Rice by THC. It's easy and it's satisfying to make because you know what? If you took this to a Panda Express and paid for it, you can probably make 2 to 3 times that amount and it tastes better. So, I'm going to try. Okay. I used to be oh yeah. Try it with these. Yep. We'll try a fork. Okay. Oh, that is so delicious. Remember, cooking is all about spreading happiness, and with this recipe, you'll be the happiest cook in town. So, thank you for stopping by the Happiest Cook today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Happiest Cook for more recipes. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye!